Alright, last question for today is question 4, which says predict what will happen if you copy cell C2 and paste it into cell D2 of your spreadsheet. Now remember, what did we write in C2? We wrote A1 times C1, and we got an answer. Well, what happens if we just copy cell C2 and put it into CD? And if you don't know how to copy a cell, all you gotta do is hit the cell. You can do edit, copy, and then go over to D2 and push edit, paste, or you can use the 2-finger method by tapping your touchpad with 2 fingers and it'll come up like so. And you can go ahead right here and put copy and then go over here and do 2 fingers again and push paste. So first predict what's going to happen, then copy and paste the formula to check your predictions. Make sure that we're writing a full sentence, how it compared to our prediction.